Well guys, welcome back to the final days of the project from hell. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is basically going to be the final video on the Wolseley. Now, I just arrived a few minutes ago and I don't have a great deal of time, so I'm not really going to shoot much footage today. I know I kind of screwed it last time because I forgot to bring the GoPro mounts, but I am on a very tight deadline. It's about 2:33ish. I'm going to work through till maybe 7 or 8 and then get a couple of hours in, hopefully finish it all off in the morning. But it does mean got a very tight window to get this car finished. Anyway, let's get on with it and get it finished. Well, here's some of the electrics done. That's this running light and the headlight all now connected back up. Got rid of these, where they're at. These hideous little, I don't know what sort of connector that is. But there's another one somewhere. Basically little plastic household connectors were used under here, and you don't use those on cars regardless of how often they get used. So went proper crimps and proper connections and heat shrink. So we now have that side done. Oh, let me get up here a moment. That rear side of the car is just lying there nicely, and while I had the wheel off I painted this wheel. So that wheel should go back on here now. That's this side basically connected up. Move to the other side and rinse and repeat. Well, there we go. That's all the electrical components put back on, lights, turn signals, etc. And she's looking good. Now, the only thing I've really got left to do is we've got the running boards to go on, and I have got the bright work to go back onto the hood, and that's it. She is done. Oh, and I've still got the roof panel to screw on, which I'm going to get onto in a moment. But basically, yeah, we are almost complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that roof panel tonight. It's about 7, and so it will be getting dark shortly. I think what I'll do is I'll get that on, get the tools picked up, and leave the running boards and everything on the hood for tomorrow. Because I'm tired, hungry, and yeah. So that's it for now. See you soon. Well, there we go. Running boards are now on. Roof panel's still to do, but I am calling it a night. It's after 8, so gonna go get some food and call it a day. Well folks, there we go. She is done. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how happy I am to see this thing finished. I will do a little montage of everything that went on with her, but needless to say, between limited budget, COVID, and an absolute cluster of previous, well, I won't even call them the repairs. They weren't repairs, they were just bodges. But yeah, we've gotten there eventually. She saved damn sight better than she was, and now the only thing left to do is the leather work, which that's being handled by someone else. Oh, forgotten to put a badge on the back. Okay, so we're not finished, but anyway, we're not far off. So I'm going to wrap this video up. This has certainly been a journey. There are no two ways about it. This has been an absolute journey and a half. But she's there. Anyway, like, subscribe, come back and see me sometime, and you know the rest. Have a good one. Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick update. This is the new project. It's a 1940s Wolseley, and as you can see, you've got cracking all over it. I mean, I don't even know what it was painted with. I mean, it's so rough it feels like it was brush painted with a hedgehog. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is just one little addition to the video. It's about a week after I finished the Wolseley, and as you can see I'm rebuilding a garden bench at the moment. But Paul, the owner, decided that he did want to go back with the full military theme on the Wolseley, so he has had someone come in and add the numbers lettering, whatever, etc. So sent me a couple of photographs, and that is basically it. Admittedly, it does look good. So there we have it. Eventually, finally, last ever comment. This Wolseley is officially finished. So there we have it. Come back and see me sometime. Like and subscribe, and have a good one.